Today guys, I'm going to show you how to download a document from Google Classroom to your WPS or any app that can contain it offline. So you have to download your Google Classroom. Mine is here. So after downloading Google Classroom, you click open. Okay, so it is taking a while, but it has opened. My internet is kind of slow, so bear with me. So it has now opened. So for example, I want to download the document from this Faith and Development class. You click on Faith and Development, or if you want to download for Ministering for Persons, you click on it, or Financial, you click on it. So I'll click on mine. It's saying the call isn't responding. I'll wait, and you can see now it's showing. So let me go where they've told us there is notes here, revision materials. So I'll click on revision materials, and here already you've seen me, I've already downloaded. So I'll go to another document that I haven't downloaded for me to show you guys. Here on the slides. Okay, you can see this lecture 10 slide I haven't downloaded. So whatever you have to do here is to click on the document here, click on so it's now loading. So after loading, you see the icon that has a search in it on your top right, the second one after the three dots, then the second icon that looks like a folded book. You click on it. So it's not giving me that option. That's why I wanted to record for you guys. It's telling me to search something from the document, and yet I want to download it offline. So I'll click on the arrow on the top left. It will take me back to the document. I'm doing this because of the people who face the same problem. I'm using my phone, so I click on it. It is taking a little bit time, but okay, it has opened. So one thing I have to do is to click on Save All Files Offline and wait. It's taking some time, but we'll have to wait. Don't know what's happening, but I'll keep on trying. I know it will accept. I'm refreshing it again to see if it's something changes. So you can see now it's starting to download, and without taking much time, you'll see it. If you have a stronger network, it will show you that it has been downloaded offline. So they're telling me the download is taking longer than usual. Try offline, turning off and transfer online over Wi-Fi in Google Drive Google Drive setting. So this is one thing I wanted to show you guys. So If it tells you, that means you have connected your phone. Anything that downloads offline from Google Classroom, most of the time it uses the Google Drive. You have to go back to Google Drive, so I have to open my drive. I'll click on open my drive, then I'll go here where they're telling me data usage. They're telling me transfer files only on over Wi-Fi. Uploading and updating of files will pause when Wi-Fi connection isn't available. So when Wi-Fi is not available, my document won't download, but if Wi-Fi is available, my document will download. So, and here I'm using my data, mobile data, so I'll have to switch off the Wi-Fi icon. So here is how this is how to turn on the data usage. So here I've made it available for the files to download under Wi-Fi only, but if I turn off, you see they are telling me data usage warning, transfer files over mobile data may incur additional charges depending on your mobile data plan. So I'll just go ahead, okay, I'm okay with the charges. So I'll go back to Google Classroom, and you can see now it's telling me saving files. So it will save the file that I'll come to show you after it has saved. You can just wait. So guys, after it downloads, that's how it looks like. So one thing you have to do is to firstly go download Google Classroom, then go to your class topic that you want to download notes from. After clicking on the document, it will bring you to this page. When it brings you to this page, go straight to saving offline, where now it is written file saved offline. Click on that save offline, then it will start saving. After it starts saving, then you'll go on your Google Drive and you'll get those notes there. So thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe.